Against one of the most competitive teams in the Bundesliga this season, you would never expect an easy matchup. Added on it was a game of Baden Derby, a away match. Although it was our opponents, I highly appreciate what Steich done to Freiburg in this year, in spite of the ever slipping down to the second Bundesliga. This season so far, Freiburg climbed to the club's historical place in the Bundesliga league table thanks to the tactical switch and adaptation by Steich, making use of all of the talent yet practical midfield players to add the width of the attacking zones. Our team was not having a bad run in November, but we haven't been truly healed the away match syndrome. We could manage to overcome the weak Greuther Fürth in the first half of the match. The result of this hard-fought match was really staggering and encouraging. I'm talking about the match against Freiburg, of course. I would say it was a very important away match in the first half of the season, which could be a turning point to our development after the winter break. Last Saturday, we barely let few chances to Freiburg in the front. It was extremely glad to see how disciplined and oppressive our team could be. Well, first of all, it was a dream opening to grab a bravo early lead thanks to David Raum. A truly amazing shot from him. As the time went on, the two teams fought hard in the center stage and boys recovered and outnumbering the boys from Freiburg. It was not a perfect offensive display, but our boys avoid everything from Freiburg, including keeping Höller, Griffo, Straight, and Gunther chatted. They were quiet during the match. Apart from the team's effort, it was Hoeneß who might have contributed to the final victory. The boys were highly determined and boosted. They finally tried their best to do what they can in the away match fixture. They finally could adjust their athletic mindset, learning Steich to employ a lot of midfield players. Hoeneß intended to find more space outside the central areas, adding width to the attacking zones. He ensured there were enough helping hands for Raum and Aboguma to channel some of the boys from Freiburg to the flanks. In this way, more space could be found in the central areas for directing passes into or rotating the attacking forces more efficiently. It was a very clever way not to clash with the hard and young Freiburg Warriors. A back-to-back away fixture within 4 days is really tough. Imagine when you have to face one of the quickest and most agile teams in the league. It requires you 120% of concentration. One mistake would cost you a lot. We did not commit the mistake ourselves against Leverkusen. Thanks to the effort carried out by the boys, it was an even matchup, although Leverkusen created a bit more chances in the first half. The fast, lightning, and dynamic combination of Diaby and Riggs could exploit any space left behind by the opponents. Of course, our boys are not defensive expertise. Hoeneß just really want to balance the team direction and would wait for more counter-attacking opportunities. The ball interception and recovery ability was very crucial to contain and limit what Bayer Leverkusen could do. We managed to kick the passes inside our half as much as possible, but Patrick Schick was too strong for us, considering he is having a very bright season so far. 15 goals in the lead, just 3 behind the leader Lewandowski. And I think we could play a very high-intensive game, and we could speed up ourselves against such a big rival Bayer Leverkusen. I really hope that Alexander Rosen leave no chance for Bayern Munich to recruit Chris Richards. making a permanent deal for him to stay in Hoffenheim at the end of this season. He had a very solid and calm performance yesterday. Well, Foyth was sometimes out of his defending position, making Richards the leading figure in the back line. But it was no doubt that the experience of Foyth could sometimes save our team. It was the same thing to Posch, whom I think he was a little bit vulnerable at times. Putting Rutter into the right flank and building the link-up play with other teammates in quick succession was also another important reason why we could make a huge response to Bayer Leverkusen yesterday. It was clever yet again to widen our attacking zone and then trying to place a through pass to Dabur, Kramaric, and even the midfielders coming from the flanks. Rutter has become the most efficient bench player, especially when our team needs to press the opponent and get ahead of them. It was proven to be highly entertaining last 20 minutes when our team had to find ways to close the deficit. Relentless opportunities were created by a number of players occupying the half space, dribbling and making interplay in an attempt to rob of Leverkusen. Tapsoba and Tart were put in a great test. They just managed to come out of a point which our team fully deserved. Following our satisfactory back-to-back away fixture, I really think that the team is going into the right path both mentally and physically. Hoeneß has to build up something tactically with more variations up on this solid foundation. Yet, it is too early to say if our European dream will be fulfilled this season, and it has been very competitive for getting into the top 4 position.